Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out yet another car mount for our iPhones that have MagSafe compatibility. So this one right here was sent over by Vicseed. If you haven't seen my previous video on one of their MagSafe wireless chargers for your car, then you can check that out as well. But this one right here does not have wireless charging. So this one right here is only a magnetic car phone mount. It still does have MagSafe compatibility. However, you don't get any charging with this. The benefit of this one is you can place it anywhere you want in your car. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out the packaging and open this up. So we do get this nice V-shaped logo up top, plus it says Vicseed right there, and we do get their logo in there as well. On the front, we don't get anything else other than some wording for what it is, and then on the side we get another Vicseed logo and nothing on this side, and on the back we get some information like the weight of this device and I guess the dimensions. So those aren't really important, so let's go ahead and open this up. We do have a little tape right here which we can actually pull open. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up if I can manage to. So that's the tape right there, and here is the box. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Let's see, do we have anything else? Nothing else inside of there. So let's plop this to the side and actually check out what we get. So we get this nice little box. It has this clear packaging on top. It says read me. We get a nice little manual, which we don't really need. And then we do get a matchup card. So this does come with extra stickers, magnetic strips. So if you don't have an iPhone, then you can have different devices with MagSafe compatibility to use this device. So let's put that over there. Check out what else we get. Also, we did get a lifetime service and free replacement, which is nice to know. So 3M adhesive tool card. Let's put that to the side. We do get some transparent stickers right here. And then here is our product. Plus, let's see what else we get in here. Here are the magnetic strips. So we do get a whole bunch of them, which is really nice. So if you do have multiple devices, and you do have devices that are not iPhones or iPhones with MagSafe compatibility, then you can go ahead and use this to actually apply it onto those devices. So you now have MagSafe compatibility and can use them. So here are the three, so we get three right here. As you can see, we get two black ones and a white one. These are all magnetic strips for MagSafe compatibility on separate devices. So since I do have the iPhone 14 Pro here today, I'm not going to be using that, but let's go ahead and clear everything out of the way and check this device out. So this mount right here, again, as I stated before, does not have charging capabilities. It is just a mount, but again, it is a useful thing if you do use your phone in your car a lot. Let's say you don't have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. This is something that you're going to be using a lot to place your phone up so you can have your maps running when you don't want to hold it in your hand, which is a really nice thing. So you can mount this any way you want. Again, this does have MagSafe compatibility and it is very strong. I have tested out their previous products, as I said, and that one right there I'm actually still using inside of my car. So I've had a nice time using that one. So let's see how this one's going to work. So we do get 3M tape on the bottom. Once you peel that off, you go ahead and place it in your car wherever you want, and then you can go ahead and place your phone up however you want. So let's say you want to watch something, which I don't really recommend in the car. That's all you got to do. Just plop it up. Or you're using your maps and you want to use it in portrait mode, then this is what you do again. So a very nice product overall. You're going to have many capabilities with this device right here, which is really nice to know. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my car real quick just to show you guys what you can actually do with this inside of a car. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, so I actually went ahead and put it right on the left side of my steering wheel, and as you can see, it is sticked on, and once we place the phone on here, boom, that is it. So now, right next to my steering wheel, I can have my Google Maps open, I can have my music open, or whatever I want to have open on there. And it's not only going to be in portrait, but you can also do landscape. So I would let it sit for a couple of hours to adhere properly. However, if you do, you can go ahead and use it right away, as I am right now. Unfortunately, I don't have enough space right there, so I'm going to have to use it in portrait mode. But again, you can always just take it off and place it somewhere else on your dash. And right here, as you can see, this is the previous Vicseed mount that I've been using ever since the video. So I've really enjoyed their products so far, and this is probably one that I'm going to enjoy. I probably won't have it in this car. I'll have it in a separate car. But again, it is something that I will probably be using. So let's go ahead and step back inside and end this video off. Alright, so as you saw in the video, inside of the car, this mount works perfectly fine, sticks onto any surface inside of your car. I just let it adhere for a little longer than what I did instead of just plopping it on and placing your phone. You can do that as well, but again, to get the best usage out of it so it sticks on there and stays firm, is to let it stick on there for a couple of hours. So the magnets, again, do work perfectly fine as I showed you inside the car, and so if you do want to check this product out, there will be a link down below. So that will basically wrap it up for this video. Again, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see y'all in the next one.